Hi, are you still struggling to find leads and contact them? I'm excited to introduce to you HubSpot LeadFeeder. This tool will help you to extract unlimited emails of your target audience worldwide and contact them automatically. Let me show you the working of this tool. Open the tool and enter the license key. Once the key is validated, you'll get a URL from which you can access the tool on your machine. Copy the URL and open it on your Chrome browser. You can see the home page where you'll see the summary, total Google leads, Facebook leads, total leads contacted, and the validity of the tool. Let's look at the very first step, finding leads. You can enter your target niche or business name. Then, enter your desired location. You can find leads from all over the world. Next, enter the number of leads that you would want to find. Then select the source of your leads. Currently, we have Google leads and Facebook leads. Soon we will include other sources like Instagram and LinkedIn and provide you the updated tool for free. So, click on Search, and the tool will search for the emails, contact numbers, and many other details automatically. The searching will work in the background, so you can keep searching more, while the previous search happens in the background. The leads will start showing up below. As you can see, the result is showing details of florists in Brooklyn. You can see the name, address, contact number, website, email, but for this lead, email was not found. Then even the ratings and reviews. Also, you can see the total count for leads increasing automatically. So, while the search is going on in the background, we will search more. This time we selected Facebook leads, and we are searching for cake shops in Mumbai. Now let's wait for the results. Since the search is in background, it will keep showing the previous search results along with new results. Here you see a result for the cake shop, and it has more details like the Facebook page name, address, contact number, email, page URL, website link, etc. Since the result is mixed up, we have a separate report section where you can see all the leads listed as per their sources. Just click on the Reports tab. Now click on View Google Leads, and you will see all the results in a tabular form. As you can see, there are emails and even the contact numbers. To see the Facebook leads, click on View Facebook Leads. There you see all the details. If you don't like a tabular view, we have also provided a card view. Click on Card View Google Leads. Here you'll see all the Google leads in a card form. Each will have their business image and their respective details. Same way you can view the Facebook leads. Since we just extracted few emails or leads, let's search for more leads. You can search unlimited leads within the subscription period. But since we are getting it from Google and Facebook, you need to search leads at a moderate rate. So, we have searched enough leads. You can go again to the Reports tab and view all the leads and their emails. Now I'll show you how you can contact these leads automatically. We have provided some sample email templates for you. Come to the Email Templates tab. Here you'll see a list of services. Select any service that you provide or any related service to your niche. Once you select a service, you'll see a sample email subject and email body auto-filled. Also, you can preview the email below. This is how the email will look. So you can use these templates as it is, or customize the content as per your need. I will be using the sample template as of now. Finally, coming to our main step, contacting the leads. Go to the Contact Leads tab. Here there are two options. Send one-on-one email and send bulk emails. But before sending emails, you need to authenticate or give the tool permission to send emails on your behalf. So, click on Authenticate Gmail. Select your Gmail from which you want to send emails. This will only have access to send email on your behalf. Click on Continue. You'll be redirected to the Contact Leads page. Now, to send one-on-one email, click on the respective button. On this page, the fields will be pre-populated with the leads that you have already found. Go ahead and select location, then select the type of lead. Next, select the name of the lead. The email of that lead will automatically be filled in the text box. Now, paste the email subject and email body, which was copied from the template in their respective text boxes. There are placeholders already in the email body. You can edit the body as per your need. Then, enter your company name, or any name that you want to display, and enter your website URL. For now, I will put my other email ID, just to show you the email. Then, click on Send Email. The email will be sent in the background. Let's see if I have received the email. There you go. That's the email subject, and here is the email body, with the placeholders filled with its respective values. Coming back to the home page, you can see the count for leads contacted has been updated to 1. Now, in the same way, you can send bulk emails. Select the location, then select the business type. Now, here you need to enter the number of emails that you want to send. Based on the number, the below text boxes will be filled with business names and emails that are available for that business type. Next, enter the subject and email body. Then, you need to give a time delay range. This is for a pause between each email that is sent. The tool will randomly pick up a number in that range and will pause for that many seconds. Enter your company name and website URL, and then click on Send. The emails will be sent in the background. In the results folder, your leads and email report will be saved. So by this, you can easily find unlimited leads, extract their emails, and contact them on complete automation. I know you are waiting to know how to get this tool. So come to our website, SG Digital Cart, and you can see it on the home screen, or you can see it under the Tools dropdown. This tool you can get on monthly subscription for just $10. You can find all the details on this page. Don't miss out on the opportunity to supercharge your lead generation process. Visit our website, SG Digital Cart, and grab your HubSpot LeadFeeder tool now. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this tool is your key to unlocking new opportunities and driving success. Hurry, subscribe now, and take your business to the next level.
If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.